Hello visitors, welcome back to the Google Apps training tutorials by Tech Solutions. This is Ashwin once again, and in this video we are going to see how to create documents in the Google Docs or Google Drive and how to access them. So first of all, after you log in into your Google Drive account, you can see in the left upper corner of your page there is a create button. If you just click on it, you can create a new document. You can select the document here. In this case we are creating a new document, so a new page opens. That is the document, and if you want to add a title for that, you can just move on to this particular thing. Currently the title is Untitled, so if I just click on it, that is renaming the document. You can type it as, for example, let it be example itself, example. Click on OK, and if you want to rename the document, you can go here again. See, if you just click on it again, you can rename it, or else you can click on the file button and click on the rename here. Similarly, you can rename the file again if you want it, else cancel it. So in this way you can create a new document in the Google Docs, and if you want to open another file, just go to the file again. See, there is an option here, new, so you can create even from this page another document, or else you can open a document which is already existing. If I click on this open, well, you can have several options here. You can select any particular document within your Google Drive, or you can upload a file from your computer if you want it. Just click on upload, and there are several other options like which are shared with you and starred or previously selected and all items. So in this way you can open the existing docs. So if I just cancel it, and if I go to my home page again, see, if you can see here, there is an option here. This indicates uploading of documents. If I just click on it, see, you can have two options, files or folders. You can upload a file as well as a folder. I just click on files, a pop-up opens here. It shows all your files in the computer in your local PC. You can select any of your files, else cancel it. And one more thing is that you can even drag and drop your files from your computer into Google Drive directly. Example, like click on upload here, so you can select any of your files from your computer. Like for example, if I select this thing and click on open, you see it will be uploaded into my Google Drive. So it's finishing now, so it's being uploaded. So if I can see here, this is the image I have uploaded, and if I want, I can share it or I can view it. So this is one way of uploading the files, and the other way is that you can directly drag and drop, as I have said earlier. So if I just shorten the window, and if I can see here, currently if I try to upload a file through drag and drop, see, if you move it here, see, there is a small circle opening here, pop up incoming, and if I just lift my mouse here, see, it will be uploaded in the similar way. So in this way you can perform the drag and drop to your Google Drive. And if I go back to the document which I have created, well, if I write some text over here, for example, this is an example, and well, if you see here you can get a message that all changes saved in Drive. So Google automatically saves the last editing thing which I have done. So if you can see here, if I just move the cursor here, you can see last edit was seconds ago. So you can even get the time of the last editing of that particular document. And if you can see here, if you go to the edit option, you can see an option called as web clipboard. So you can perform the copy and pasting of your textual data and also some image data and the other types of data. You can copy from this particular page to any other pages, and also you can paste from any other pages into this particular document. And for example, if I select this and go to the edit and go to web clipboard, see, you can copy this particular selection which I have done here, and you can clear all the items if you want it. And if I just copy selection to clipboard, you can see here currently you can have two options for that. You can paste it as a rich text, and you can paste as an HTML link also if it is a link. So there are two options for doing that. And similarly you can use some keyboard shortcuts like, well, Control C for copying and Control V for paste. So even you can use those things like you can do in the normal desktop office applications like any Word or an open office document, and you can do similarly copy and paste. And one more important thing to see is that if you go to your home page in your Google Drive, you can see a search bar, and you can search for your documents in the list given below. Like if I click on this drop down menu here, you have several options for that. You can search all documents and folders or drawings, images and PDF files, and lot more things. So you can modify your search based on your requirements. And there is option called visibility and also ownership and open by me, created with lots of options available. And you can even search for your documents. For example, if I go and search for this example which I have created, like example, as I go on typing, it suggests me some names here. So if I move down, the third option is the document which I have created in this video. If I click on it, it will be opened again a new tab. So this way you can search for your documents in the Google Drive, and you can even sort your document list based on your preferences. For example, if I move to this particular thing here, the drop down menu beside the owner, if I click on it, well, you can sort the document list based on these options like last read by me, last opened by me, and quota used. So if I move here, this is another preference option here. If I click on it, you can see last modified, last read by me, last opened by me, and quota used. So in this way you can sort out all your documents in the Google Drive, and which may contain all type of docs or spreadsheets and presentations and whatever documents you like to share or save. So in this way you can create and access the documents in your Google Drive. So this is it for this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel and like our videos, and stay tuned for more videos, and thank you.